Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink L-Glutamine powder. First, always measure your L-Glutamine powder carefully, following the instructions on your product label. This ensures you get the correct amount for your needs. Next, choose a suitable liquid for mixing, such as water or juice. Make sure the liquid is cool or at room temperature, as very hot liquids can affect the powder's properties. This simple preparation sets you up for effective consumption. Once you have your measured L-glutamine powder and chosen liquid, add the powder to the liquid. Stir or shake the mixture thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. L-glutamine powder is generally soluble in water. It's best to drink the mixture promptly after preparation to ensure its freshness and effectiveness. Avoid letting it sit for extended periods. The optimal timing for L-glutamine can vary. Many individuals find it beneficial to take L-glutamine immediately after a workout to support muscle recovery. Others prefer taking it before bed for overnight support. A common dosage is 5 grams per day, but it can range from 5 to 10 grams daily, sometimes divided into multiple servings. Always follow the specific dosage instructions on your product label, or consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. When incorporating L-glutamine into your routine, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day. It's always a good practice to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. For storage, keep your L-glutamine powder in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its stability and potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.